You can't always change someone. Sometimes, you have to either accept who they are or learn to live without them. The truth shall set your soul free. I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior. Wishes are possibilities. Dare to make a wish. Learning always occurs in a context of taking action, and they value engagement and experience as the most effective strategies for deep learning. The interviewer is asking an interviewee as how much business he can generate for their organization has the same level of stupidity as in a question being by an interviewee to the interviewers as how many days he can stay in their organization. A person who has never actually worked and/or won. Words, the powerful air that can change the mind, the body and the spirit in the twinkle of an eye. He who don't know words don't know life. The brevity of life is grace to walk on your own path. I see the faces that stop by my cart here. Their smiles are hollow, their eyes are hungry. The yogis' faces are different, silent, complete, like the mountains around them, asking no questions, seeking no answers, just certain, as though they knew exactly who they were. The lure of the distant and the difficult is deceptive. The great opportunity is where you are. A wise system of education will at least teach us how little man yet knows, how much he has still to learn. We find comfort among those who agree with us, growth among those who don't. If you want to teach people a new way of thinking, don't bother trying to teach them. Instead, give them a tool, the use of which will lead to new ways of thinking. The natural flights of the human mind are not from pleasure to pleasure, but from hope to hope. To change your life, you need to change your priorities. To wonder is to recreate a sacred self. Guard well your thoughts when alone, and your words when accompanied. Affirm the scripture to revive your spirit. A wise person always learns from everything at any given moment. True teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross. Then, having facilitated their crossing, joyfully collapse, encouraging them to create their own. With best thoughts, words, and actions, we align our past, present, and future. Love is the heartbeat of life. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. If I had a shiny gun, I could have a world of fun speeding bullets through the brains of the folks that cause me pains. Gratitude is continuous stream of goodness. If you argue for your limitations, they are yours. Literature gives great light and great life. Though our collective level of knowledge may always be defined by a certain set of answers, we are never limited by the questions we may pose. Marriages can endure any difficulty with unfailing love and dedication.